Hello, welcome to today's math class. Today we have this simple challenge for us here, but not as simple as you may think, because if you're not careful enough, you may make some simple mistake that will lead to the wrong answer. Now the question is, if y is equal to log x and y is given to be 10, then what is the value of x here? Easy, right? But let's go into solving this and see if it is actually easy. All right, so we take a solution here. Take a solution. Look at our original equation. Y equal to log x here. The coefficient here, or the thing we have to look at for here now. Let's bring out the first of it so that we know exactly what we're talking about. So we have here x. So we have y is equal to log x. The question we have to ask ourselves is, this log x is to what base number? You may just assume that it's just to base 10, which is our normal base, natural base number, right? But this will equally be to base e. Okay, so we're going to solve this using two case scenarios, right? But here we are given that y is equals to 10. So let's substitute 10 into this first. So we're going to have here our 10 equal to log our x. So rearranging this will give us here log x is equal to our 10 here. Now this is what we're going to do now. So we're going to take two assumptions from here now, which is for case 1 and case 2. So we're going to take case 1. Case 1, we're going to assume that here we have this to base 10. So we're going to solve based on base 10. And second case scenario is going to be to base e. And let's see if the two will give us the same answer. It will give us different answer. Okay, so from here, we're going to take our case 1. And in our case 1, we are taking this to base 10. So we have here log our x is 10 is equal to 10. This is pretty easy, right? All we just need to do is just to convert from logarithm to indices. We all know that there's a strong relationship between logarithm and indices. For instance, if you have your log, if you have log, let's take our a is b equal to c. This is also taking this to index form. This will give us here our a. So we're going to have our a is equal to b to the power of c. Remember this? This is a very strong relationship between indices and logarithm. So look at what we have here now. We can convert this to index form so that we get our x straightforward. So let's continue here. So with this, we're going to write this as, or this is going to give us here our x will now be equal to 10 to the power of 10. And what is 10 to the power of 10? That will just give us something of this kind here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So we have this, we have this. So this is the value of x. Okay? That will satisfy this equation if this is given to base 10. So let's take the second case scenario where we have it to, or where we may have it to be base e. So we have here case 2. We're going to take this as our y now be equal to log x base e. Okay, e is also base e is also a natural base number. So we put in our 10 here. So we have 10 is equal to our log x base e here. Okay, so if we move this to this side, take this way, this is going to give us here our log x base e equal to 10. Two methods we can use to solve this very one. Either we convert this to the index form, or we introduce e. We raise both sides of this equation to e, because this is to base e. Okay, so we converted from a logarithm to indices in the second case, first case scenario. So in the second case scenario, let's use a different method. So let's introduce our e. So we're going to have our e to the power of log x base e. This is equal to our e to the power of 10. Now this is to base e, and here we have our e here. So strong law of logarithm says that this will cancel out this, so we are left with n. So we now have our x, therefore, is equal to, now we have e to the power of 10. So what is e to the power of 10? If you impute this into your calculator, this will give you 22,026. So we now have our x is equal to 22, our 26. This is the second value. So if you made the mistake of solving using or assuming x to be only base, then you end up having just this solution. And if it is a common entrance exam, you may not see this answer there. You may have this there. Okay? All right. So if you learned something from this video tutorial, then give the video a thumbs up. Here we are here to bring more videos your way. Stay connected to Online Maths TV. We love you. Thanks for being there all the time. We'll meet you in our next class. Keep winning. Bye for now.